until the morning sun. Under the Jamaican sun, we're having so much fun. With beautiful people and a positive vibration, sipping on some rum, listening to the reggae drum. In this paradise we found our liberation. Oh. Cause the reggae rhythm takes control. Feel the unity, let the good vibes flow. Dance barefoot in the warm sand. With every heartbeat we understand. Under the Jamaican sun, we're having so much fun. With beautiful people and a positive vibration, sipping on some rum, listening to the reggae drum. In this paradise we found our liberation. Oh. In the land of sunshine and blue seas, when the rhythm of life moves with peace, there was a man with a guitar in hand who spread love and peace across the land. He sang of freedom, he sang of rights. In the darkest days he was our light. From trench town roots to global fame, his spirit lives on in every name. Bob Marley's legacy shining bright and free, a melody of hope for you and me. One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright, now and forever. Bob Marley's legacy shining bright and free, a melody of hope for you and me. One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright, now and forever. The best the soul of the legend true, his songs of justice still ring true. From Africa to the isles of the sea, his message of love will always be. So let's unite in this reggae beat, dance to the rhythm of the